Is it time to buy or sell Archer Aviation stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Archer Aviation. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 20th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 14, 2025, our system has ranked Archer Aviation as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.27. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Unfortunately, the stock has not performed as anticipated, experiencing a loss of 2.13% thus far. This results in an average daily loss of 0.53% since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust and broad upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is anticipated. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential shift of approximately 24.36% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 1.86% to 57.51%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 72.95% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between negative 20.97% and 107.35%. This corresponds to a price range of $8.01 to $21 after a year. In our latest daily update for Archer Aviation, we highlight significant movements in the company's stock price. On Thursday, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 11.77% between its high and low. The stock price of Archer Aviation Inc. saw an increase of 0.696% on the most recent trading day, Thursday, the 20th of February, 2025, rising from $10.06 to $10.13. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 11.77%, with a low of $9.26 and a high of $10.35. Notably, the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 10.71% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also rose on this day, with 7 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 39 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $396,501,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $12.48, while the lowest was $2.82. Currently, the stock price stands at 18.8%, or $2.35, below the 52-week high, and 35.68%, or $5.62, below the all-time high recorded on the 10th of February, 2021, when it reached $15.75. Archer Aviation stock, ticker ACHR, is experiencing significant upward momentum as the company navigates an increasingly favorable landscape for electric vertical takeoff and landing, or eVTOL, technology. Recently, the FAA granted Archer certification to launch its pilot training academy, a critical milestone that enhances the company's operational capabilities and boosts investor confidence in its growth potential. Following this news, shares saw a robust increase, rising by over 6% in one day alone. Additionally, Archer successfully raised $300 million, highlighting its appealing financial structure characterized by a low debt-to-capital ratio and an optimistic upward revision in earnings estimates. Such financial health is crucial in the capital-intensive aerospace sector, allowing Archer to fund its ambitious growth plans without unnecessary risk. In the context of broader market dynamics, eVTOL stocks, including Archer, have attracted attention as investors anticipate pending certification and admire substantial capital inflows from major companies. With Archer's stock already up 100% over the past year, the potential for further appreciation remains, especially as the company strengthens its market position. In the short term, these developments could maintain upward pressure on ACHR's stock price as excitement builds around its technology and growth strategy. Long-term, consistent execution of its plans and the successful training of a new pilot workforce could ensure sustainable growth, attracting more investors and potentially increasing the stock's valuation even further. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, H.C. Wainwright assigned ACHR a buy rating along with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Canaccord Genuity provided ACHR with a buy rating and a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of May, 2024, Canaccord Genuity again rated ACHR with a buy and a hold action. On Tuesday, the 27th of February, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald rated ACHR as overweight with a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of August, 2023, Benchmark also rated ACHR with a buy and a hold action. Analysts have assigned Archer Aviation stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Archer Aviation. Archer Aviation Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should the stock experience downward corrections, support can be anticipated at levels of $9.91 and $9.62. A decline below any of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is evident from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Both volume and price are on the rise, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. Notably, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, January 3, 2025, with the stock having decreased approximately 11.99% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 32 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 4 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 60 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 63 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Archer Aviation. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $9.57 and $8.94. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as a break below this could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Archer Aviation Inc. finds support just below today's level at $9.57. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $8.94 and $8.40. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.09 between its high and low, which is an increase of 11.77%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 11.47%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Archer Aviation, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to factors they cannot control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal ongoing issues with profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates suggest a loss of 0.4%. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Archer Aviation. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Archer Aviation is at $10.67. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Archer Aviation faces its first support level at $9.57. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Archer Aviation from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 17th of February, 2025, Perkins Tosha conducted an insider purchase of 313,153 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Muniz Thomas Paul conducted an insider purchase of 91,337 shares of restricted stock units. Also, on the 17th of February, 2025, Lentel Eric conducted an insider purchase of 313,153 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Gupta Priya conducted an insider purchase of 78,289 shares of restricted stock units. Earlier, on the 7th of January, 2025, Muniz Thomas Paul conducted an insider sale of 50,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 18.360. In total, insiders purchased 67,844,646 shares and sold 43,677,438 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.54, reflecting a decline of 5.82%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 31 days ago. Is Archer Aviation stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Archer Aviation Incorporated stock to perform well in the near term. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 21st of February, we anticipate that Archer Aviation will open lower by approximately 21 cents, starting trading at $9.91. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.